All right, Dad Random is back, and now I'm connected up to the DJI mics. So here we go. So yeah, the mic 2. All right, Dad Random here. I've got a package that came in the mail, and you can tell that there's some electronic device in it. But this is actually something that I was kind of iffy as to whether I was going to get it, but I think I actually have a plan for this because one of the things that I want to improve is my audio quality through my Insta360 devices. Insta360 is known for really good cameras, but their audio is just different. I'm not saying it's bad because it's actually pretty good. I'm using Insta360 mic audio right now, but it doesn't match up when I use my DJI camera. So I want all of my audio to sound the same. So what I ordered was this, and this just came out, and a lot of people didn't know that DJI just put out a new mic system. And this right here is the Mic Mini 2. And you're like, well, what's wrong with the original Mic Minis? Well, the original Mic Minis are really good. These are a little bit, they're very much the same. These offer the safety track. There's just a little more that these mics do. I really didn't need a 2 mic system, but I really wanted to pair it up with the the receiver, because the receiver I'm actually going to connect to my Insta360 Luna until they allow for microphone connectivity. So this will allow me to get true DJI sound. So some of the things, now this actually pairs up with the DJI Mimo app, but you know, definitely I'm going to get the same sound profile. I'm going to get my auto limiting, my audio clipping protection. I'm going to get a direct connection to the DJI device, you know. So, and that will make sure that the audio that comes in to whatever it is, it could be my Canon camera, is going to be the same. Now I do have the mini, the first minis, but these are just a little cool. He's got a little more funky nature to them. They're a little more customizable, but they have that nice small mic, that mic size that I really like. So this comes with 2 transmitters, the receiver, the magnetic clips, the magnets, the cables, the audio cable, the magnetic front cover. There's 4 of them, I believe. I think it has the colored covers, the windscreens, you got the mobile adapters, and all the things that you need, the carrying case. The big thing is the charging case. So this is actually going to be paired up with the Luna that I'm using right now. So hopefully you'll hear a difference in my audio. I like to go back to that nice mellow DJI. Like it's just so pleasing, and I think anybody that uses the DJI mic systems know that they really like the sound. I mean, the Mic 2s are legendary for their sound quality. So, all right, so this is the box, and let's get it open. So we got an unsealed box. Now you pay about $150 for these. You can get them cheaper if you're going to get the Mic 2s, but yeah, might as well upgrade. We get the case. We've got documentation, stickers, and all that stuff. Yeah, so there it is. All right. So checking out the case, let's go into the package. And like I said, we're going to get that creamy, that just milky sound that you get from the DJI system. So there's your case. Let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, there we go. We've got a pack of color of customizable colors that magnetically mount onto the front. It'll be fun. I think everything that you add to your to your system. Look at that. That is really cool. I think that's neat. So there's your my color choices right there. And then inside here, we're going to have our mic cables, which should fit inside this case. And that's the other thing is getting everything back into a single case that I can add to. So here we go. Here's our case. Let's go ahead and unstick that so we know this is brand new right out of the case. But these are the Mic Mini 2s. Look at that. And we've got the Mic Mini size. I really love them. I like the fact that the windscreens are already on them. The wind muffs are already on them. We can go ahead and we can get them in there, get them charging. And what I'm telling you is I'm gonna connect this directly to the Luna, and I'm gonna be able to get, you know, when I do my videos, I'll get that very consistent mic, DJI mic sound. And you guys that use DJI mics totally know exactly what I'm talking about. One of the things I really like is the easy pairing. You've got a power button, a dedicated power button. You don't have one that's doing two things. It's just, everything is just nice. I really like the DJI system. Anybody that uses DJI knows what I mean. So there it is. All right, and there's my adapter. So when I connect up to this mic, I'll be able to hopefully I don't lose that. Go ahead, there we go. There we go. We're connected up. And then what I want to do is pair this to my current video that I'm doing. So we can connect up directly in the back as an accessory. So what I need to do now is to disable. I'm going to disable the mic I'm using right now. Give me a second here. I'm going to, I wonder if I can do this live here. Now I'm going to turn it off for a second. Be right back. All right, Dad Random is back. And now I'm connected up to the DJI mics. So here we go. So yeah, the mic 2. So I just went from the Insta360 Mic Air to the DJI Mic Mini 2. And we can store both sets of cables. You should be able to shut the box just like that and have our cables stored inside. There's our mic, and now I can connect this up to any of my tools. So I can go to my Canon cameras. I can connect wirelessly to all my DJI cameras. And yeah, so the Mic Mini 2. How does it sound? I mean, what do you think? Am I clipping? Did the sound profile actually change at all? It was really easy to connect up. So like I said, once again, I have to connect the receiver directly to the camera, and you know, until they, you know, Insta360 opens up the wireless connecting with external mics from other companies, you know, so that'll be whenever that comes. Let's do one more thing. Let's do a little customization. Let's go ahead and take mic 2, and well, that one connected right up. But so now we have 2 mics. That's cool. We can go ahead and do some Dad Random purple maybe. That's kind of fun. Let's see, do these stay on pretty good? Yeah, these are actually on pretty good. I don't think these are going to be too hard. Just trying to see if they'd be easy to lose. I don't know, I seem to go on pretty good. But I really think that bling is kind of fun, you know. And if you want people to see your mic, you know, you want it to be very visible. There you go. There's your yellow mic. You can accessorize with clothing. There's really a lot of fun things you can do with the colors. And then of course you have the clear. There is no black. So I would say if you're one of those people that would like a black front and have it, you know, I'm sure that is available. I bet you there's going to be an option to buy that. So let's put on it. You can go dark blue maybe. Hey, let's go to light blue a little bit. Oh, yeah, these are fun colors. All right. So Dad Random for the Mic Mini 2. Hopefully the Mic Mini 2 is something you're interested in, but yeah, DJI is always making it more fun. So all right, Dad Random for DJI and the Mic Mini 2. Bought this with my own money, and the goal is to improve my audio, make it more consistent throughout my entire DJI devices. All right, later, Dad Random. All right, Dad Random back. I am now on Luna Ultra audio. As you can see, I am firmware updating the Mic Mini 2. So I've got both of them connected to the receiver and then connected to the phone on the MIMO app. And yeah, that's kind of what you got to do. You got to let it update the firmware and then get to the latest firmware. So we're going to let that happen. All right, be right back. All right, now it's install time. Now I'm installing, and we're about 50%. We'll let you know when we're done. But we are installing the newest firmware, the most updated firmware for the Mic Mini 2s. So we've got the Mic Mini 2 system, which is very close to the same size as the Mic 3. All right, we just clicked over to a 100% in our firmware update. And it says we're done, so hopefully we'll get another connection prompt. All right, so we are now, you can see that we are now talking through the Mic Mini. Both Mic Minis, I believe, yeah, so both of them are connected. You can see the green and the other one I'm wearing. We've got the audio channel, it's mono. We should have our safety. We want to enable the safety track, any noise reduction, basic. And let's see, anything else that we should, regular voice tone, I don't like to change that. We've got both mics, and that should be, let's see, auto off, receiver on off with camera. That's always kind of nice. So I think we've got our customization set up. So I'm guessing we can use that as a PA system, which is kind of cool. I'm thinking what that is. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. Let's go ahead and connect back up to the camera. All right, we are now recording live with the new Mic Mini 2. Can you tell the difference of the sound quality? Right away I'm going to be able to tell, especially when I'm doing my my post-production. But 1 2 3 4, check 1 2. This is audio from the Canon EOS R50V, and this is audio coming from the DJI Mic Mini 2. So how does this audio sound? The Insta360 Luna Ultra doing a video of DJI devices using a DJI Mic Mini system via the USB. This is the Insta360 Luna Ultra with the DJI Mic Mini 2 system. How does my audio sound? Now we have sound filtering on, so we have noise reduction, and we have the gain set to 0, and we are USB connected. So until Insta360 allows for the partnership of external devices, you're going to have to use some kind of a dongle, but it will take external audio that is not native to Insta360 and audio devices like the Mic Mini 2. Now we've got two mics now working side by side. The way I have it set up now is basic with mono sound. I have the track protection on and nothing else. So that's my sound profile I'm using. But yeah, look at that, customized colors, pretty cool. You know, you got to be excited about accessories, and of course I put a couple in there just in case, just for fun. And you know, you can pick and choose the colors you want. I think that's neat. Some of us won't use any of that. We'll just want the newer tech, and that's great too. All right, Dad Random. Like and subscribe if you have not. Check out deals for the Mic 2. I did purchase these through a third-party seller, and that's kind of my life. About $150, which, if you think about it, is a pretty good deal. All right. But the only thing I think is different is no 32-bit float. This does not record your audio on the mic. You have to, you have to trust your connectivity. But I have never had a problem with the Mic Minis at all, so not worried about that later. Bye, Dead Random. For Mic Mini 2, all right. Customize and make consistent all of your devices.